divorce of the century, and Simba Chikore to get the land back. Who knew things would turn sour for the former first daughter and first son-in-law of Zimbabwe? All seemed blissful when they got married, and as they became the power couple, promotions rained in for Sunny as he was made COO for Robert Gabriel Mugabe Airport, maybe to empower him so as to be able to compete with Bona. But on a closer look, there was something about this couple that one wouldn't put a finger to. Something. Their dating was kept under wraps till their wedding announcement. Nothing much was known about the young man. I'm sure a profile was created for him, and he became a pilot for Qatar Airways, which in turn denied knowing him as one of their own. Maybe he flew these private jets that the rich and famous use. Who knows? I always ask myself, where did the two meet? The man has been busy out of wedlock, getting himself extras and side dishes to the dismay of the wife. I bet she was never exposed to the ruthlessness of the streets out there. Being Robert Mugabe's daughter did not spare her from the pain, nor make her immune from her husband's infidelity. Sometimes I wonder, was Simba going to do this during Gabriel's days? Bona filed for divorce on basis of irreconcilable differences, and the couple could not breathe the same air as they were now living separately for 9 months. According to Simba, the major problem they face is external influence, and if it's done away with, reconciliation is possible. Simba is out with guns blazing as he wants to get the land back for Zimbabwe. Cheers. He has presented a well-detailed and long list of properties that the couple own, given to them as gifts or acquired during their union. The properties listed are only what they co-own and allegedly a tip of an iceberg to what Bona owns on her own. He also claims that he used his savings from his career to purchase some of the properties, and also revealed that he used to carry out assignments for the former president and would receive gifts in return. Who's this guy? He listed 22 farms, some of which were acquired during the land grab. A Dubai mansion worth £64 million, 25 luxurious houses, $760,000 US cash, a fleet of luxurious cars ranging from Mercedes-Benz, latest Range Rovers and Rolls-Royce, Land Cruisers, a Bentley, a Mercedes GL 55 they use when they are in Dubai, and a motorbike worth $6,500 US. He demands that the property be shared in half for his divorce settlement, and Bona, on the other hand, is asking for full custody of the 3 children the couple share and $2,700 US for maintenance per child per month from Chikore. And he also wants full custody of the children. He refused the house that he was offered by Bona in Chishawasha Hills, a herd of cattle and cars as divorce settlements, as he claims the land back. He says upon the death of RG, he had nothing to his name, as all was given to his children and the spouse, including the 10 million he got as pension from the Zimbabwe government. It is alleged that the couple was struggling to complete their mansion in Amundsdal, which took about 20 hectares of land, following RG stepping down as he was the main sponsor of the building project. I would also like to believe Chikore wanted to acquire a lot from his union with the first family, as he was involved in corruption in 2019 as he siphoned Air Zimbabwe funds meant to pay engineers who worked in maintaining aircrafts in Malaysia to his own account for personal use. Let's wait and see how this will all turn out. Cheers to Simba, and cheers to getting the land back. One man, one farm.